How to stop Discord from showing your games and activities. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can stop Discord from showing your games, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now the problem over here is very simple. Let's say that you have Discord application installed on your device and then you're playing a game, but then it shows up in a Discord status that you are playing this specific game, or sometimes you're listening something on Spotify. It is going to show to other people in the server and the community that you are doing this specific activity, and this is kind of not belonging to your privacy, and then you want to go ahead and then turn off this feature. Well, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is open up discord.com or your Discord app, then just click the gear icon that you can see from the bottom left of the screen that says user settings. So make sure to go to user settings. When you go to user settings, you want to simply scroll down and look for this option known as activity privacy. As you can see under activity settings, make sure to just click this option. As you click this option, if you look at the top of the screen here, you can see activity status that says display current activity as a status message. What this does is that Discord will automatically update your status if you're attending a public stage, such as playing a game or something. So what you want to do, you just want to turn off this toggle. By the way, if it is turned on, it is going to be in green color, and if it is turned off, it is going to be grayed out. So you want to be sure on that, and next time Discord will stop showing whatever games you're playing on your PC. So hope this video helped you guys as to how you can fix and stop Discord from showing your games. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.